Jai Gurudev Datta. Welcome to Gurudatta channel. Thank you very much for watching this channel videos. Jai Gurudatta. Today we are discussing about Purna Parabrahma unknown information. The fivefold energies of creation according to Brahma Vaivarta Purana and Devi Bhagavata Purana. The Nirakara Parabrahman's Shakti energy is identified as Mula Prakriti, the primordial substance that existed before creation. Mula Prakriti, pra before Kruti, creation. This Mula Prakriti is further categorized into Panchashakti or five distinct energies, each embodying specific cosmic functions and divine associations. Those five Shaktis which are said to have manifested as creation itself are: Durga embodies Sankalpa Shakti, the power of will and determination, and Rudra Shakti, the fierce transformative power associated with Shiva. She is often depicted with a red hue, symbolized vigor and action. Lakshmi represents Aishwarya Shakti, the power of wealth, prosperity, and abundance, and Vishnu Shakti, the sustaining power associated with Vishnu. Her color is typically gold, signifying opulence and richness. Saraswati personifies Jnana Shakti, the power of knowledge, wisdom, and arts, and Brahma Shakti, the creative power associated with Brahma. She is traditionally depicted with a white color, symbolizing purity and enlightenment. Gayatri represents Kriya Shakti, the power of action and manifestation, and Moksha Shakti, the power of liberation. Her associated color is Spatika, crystal like, signifying clarity and spiritual luminescence. She is often depicted with five faces, which symbolize Sattva, goodness, purity; Rajo, passion, activity; Tamo, darkness, inertia, a mixture of three gunas, qualities of nature. Sudha, Sattva, pure goodness, transcending the gunas. Radha embodies Prema Shakti, the power of divine love and devotion, and is considered the Brahman's Prana Shakti, the life force energy of the ultimate reality. She is depicted with a radiant white color, symbolizing pure, unconditional love and spiritual brilliance. These five forms collectively represent the diverse and multifaceted aspects of the divine energy that underpins and governs the entire cosmos. Jai Gurudev Datta. We will meet next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe. If you like, share to your near and dear the Tarpanam.